Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, August 7th. Pretty slow out there again, of course, so you're in the middle of July. Equities are even slower, stock market's even slower than the currency market, at least with the currency market, with it being open 24 hours and you get some news items here and there, you can possibly capitalize. And that's basically what we did. We had 5 trades, pulled out 30.2 pips. All of that is actually in one trade, because without the one trade we would have been down. We would have been down not a lot, slightly, a few pips, but we'll take it, you know. And we had notified any of the listeners out there of this trade a couple hours in advance, so hopefully you took advantage of it. Anyway, let's get to them. First one you're looking at here is Australian dollar. The Australian dollar to the Japanese yen. We were long this 95.537. Looked like it was breaking out. Basically, top ticked it there, reversed, and ended up getting out prior to the news announcement coming out. Euro to US dollar, we were long this 1.33659. We weren't crazy about it because as you can see here, it's coming up, and it's coming up to an area that could be considered resistance. You have these bottoms here. So we gave it some time. It consolidated around that number. We got out, picked up 11.9 pips. Tried to break out a few hours later, failed. I mean, it did move a little higher, but ultimately failed. And then pulled in. This is the news this morning from the ECB, so we were out of it way before that. Pound to Swiss franc, we were short this 1.52866. Similar type trade, it just never really worked out for us. It was consolidating in that whole area. Got out of it probably just out of boredom before we were shutting everything down, so lost 6.1 pips. If we had set it where we were looking to make, say, about 10 pips overnight, you know, we could have grabbed it. Probably our mistake there. But you don't want to have too many open positions either if you're not going to be monitoring it. This was the trade that made the day, and we notified everybody about this trade probably 2 hours earlier, or hour and a half earlier, before the trade got triggered. So again, hope you took advantage of it. Short this 1.01868. Perfect, awesome trade, just ripped down. This was the unemployment numbers out of Australia. This is the Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar. Highest unemployment in many years in Australia. Just weakened the Aussie, and it came in hard. Picked up 36 pips. You know, we covered recently, covering right around the half figure, and the consolidation around that half figure. So thought maybe it might act as support. As you can see there, it didn't. It came down even further. You know, it's another 30 pips or so, or at least 20, 25, 22, 25 pips. But we'll take the 36 and move on. And then Euro Swiss franc, we were long this 1.21513. Difficult trade, you know. We had our stops in, we had our profit target in overnight. This currency pair normally doesn't move all that much. So we lost 1.7 pips, not a big deal on it. It just never reached our profit target. Instead of waiting for it to possibly get stopped out, we came into the office this morning and just got out of the position to move on, since we were basically flat on it. So overall, 5 trades, picked up 30.2 pips. Definitely take it, especially in the middle of summer, and we'll move on. All right, so if you're trading now, good luck. Any signals come out, they'll be coming your way, and we'll be back tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.